can be applied dito sa mukha first. Depende kung ano yung easier part. Okay. So, unahin na. Ang gawin na lang natin ay yung sa mukha. So, ano sabi?
Place an overhand
Apex. Overhand notch. Okay. Ibulong ka. Tapos?
Place the apex nut on the middle of the top of the head.
Middle top of the head.
Covering the bird part.
Covering the bird part or sabi nga natin kung back, pwede ito kung back of the head yung bird part. So sabi natin kung bari yung and then
Have the victim place 2 or 3 fingers below the
ganito. No. Pag ganito. 3 or 2. 2 or 3. Yan. And then
hold the base until you see it below the base.
you can also ask your patient na hawakan yan. Okay lang. Kung okay lang sa kanya. Kung hindi naman, pwede hindi na makahawakan. Okay, yung ano raw, open mo na yung kanyang kamay. And then fold the face until where?
Until it is below the base.
Yan. At yung chin. So, tansyakin ninyo kung nasa yung chin. Below.
Hold the base until please cross the end at the opposite side of the neck, then bring them back next way.
Cross.
My goodness.
And then, square knot. So, saan mag-square knot? Dito sa may kamay na. No? So, left over right, and then right over left, then you have the square knot, and then what shall we do with the ends?
Stop in the usage and screw the overhead knot to tighten the bandage.
Okay, so you tuck in the ends, and then, okay.
Congratulations.
Sinasabi niya, screw the apex. So, screw, and then, tuck in. And then,
Oh.
okay. You're cute.
Oh.